Hi Trevor. Hi Trevor. Sorry it's taken some time to get this video out to you, but hopefully you'll agree it was worth the wait. I'm logged into the dashboard here. Everyone that takes up the offer will have their own login to the dashboard. Everything's available via this GUI. No need to use Firefox macros or anything like that. Okay, there's click to support, tutorials there. There's one or two other things which probably aren't going to be necessary. You can access campaigns and create new campaigns from the bottom or from the side. There's some bonuses in there as well. Think of a campaign as being a number of elements that you use to override content. This is all about overriding content. So let's just click on campaigns. Now each user will have some pre-built campaigns which they can use to override the content. So let me show you how quick and easy it is to do this, or they could create their own campaigns with their own elements, because there's a load you could do with this, but it's all very easy to use. Well, let's imagine this side banner. Let me just quickly show you what that looks like. Okay, so in this example it's overriding Wikipedia. So you've got a nice animated banner there on the right hand side. So let's go back. Imagine the person wants to override, say, your website with that banner. So all they would do is clone this campaign. So they hit clone, call it whatever they want. This is just for their reference. So is the link name. So this clones the campaign. Then you edit the campaign and just change the link. So click on action, click on edit, change the link. Okay. So if they want to override your website, so all they do is click on update and they've created the link. Sorry, can't have any spaces in that. Click update. That link has now been created, so you go to action. This will now override your website, so they would just post that link. There you go. Simple as that. Let's just do another one, show you how easy it is again. So this has got a tree and side banner. So let's clone it. Call it whatever you want. Clone to. Clone the campaign. There it is. Action. Edit. Change the website. I'm just going to copy that in case I need it again. Click update. Okay, it's published. View it. This time we'll have a banner on the side and also there'll be a banner up here in the top left hand corner. Okay, so you've got two banners there now. Nice animated banner, which will click through to their affiliate link. Just going to quickly show you these different animations we've set up. This is overriding a different site, just as an example. Okay. Now you can put timings on these as well, so they appear after so many seconds. Okay, that's that one. Let's do the next one. These will be available for each of the users. So they could just clone a campaign and use that particular element. Okay, a bit of animation on the safe there. This one is an exit pop-up. So when someone goes to leave the page, the pop-up fires. So I'll just load the page up. I'm going to pretend to leave the page. There's the exit pop-up. Okay. So this one, I call it the production line. Here comes the Wicken Eco production line. Again, my insert's a little bit slow, but you'll get the idea. Okay, and obviously this would link to their affiliate link. So we've got some nice animations. So it's really easy for people to use this. That's the first part really, which clothing, which I think a lot of people really like that. But I'm just going to show you how to create a new campaign and all the different options. So again, we'll use your site as a demo. Just put anything in there. Okay, so we need to load your site up. There's a brand new campaign, there's no elements there. Okay, so you've got two tabs, one at the top and one at the bottom. You use the one at the bottom to save the changes. So there's a lot of options here, loads of things you can do. You can add a notify box, you can add a poll, you can add some animated characters, a product box, multi-product box, 3D box, a product card, share box, video, delayed pop-up, countdown timer, an on-exit pop-up, just add an image, embed code so you can build sign-ups, for example, put your sign-up code in there, add your retargeting pixel in there. You can even do some SEO if you want to. Let's quickly show you a couple of these. Okay, let's do a notify box. Now again, there's a help video for all these. By default, it looks like this because that's how I set it up before. You would put your link in there, your delay in there. If you want to open it a new tab, you've got different styling options for the colours. You can change the image. So it's really easy to use. I'm not going to go through each one, but as soon as you turn it on, it then appears. So that is now where it would appear on the page, but you can just drag and drop it and change the colours if you want, as we've seen. Okay, so I'm just dragging that around. Let's show you another one. This is the 3D notify box. Again, you've got all the different options. You've got the help video. Let's just turn it on just by clicking that. Okay, it's now on. That's where it would appear on the page. Again, you can just move it around, just drag and drop. Dead easy to use. Now, video is a nice one, so let's do a video one. So I've got a YouTube video ID here. So I'll just paste that in there. You can change the thumbnail image if you want. The width of the box, let's make it a big one. Change it to 500. We've got all these really nice mock-ups. As soon as you click on one, it will change on the right hand side over here, so you can actually see what it will look like. Okay. Call to action. By default it looks like this, so you can change the colours of the background, the text, the call to action on the button, and where you want to redirect people to. Okay, so let's just enable this. Change this. redirect URL, I'll just leave that as it is for now. I'll leave the colour in. Okay, it doesn't look very good, but let's turn on this now. One thing you need to do, which I didn't do, is the play button. Otherwise, you'll get no play button. So you can see there's lots of options, but it's all very easy to use. So that's what you've created. That's the video. Let's just put that over here. Now, obviously, you're not going to have all these different elements at one time, but I'm just demonstrating this. So, I mean, this is one which I could see people want to use either multi-product or single product box. Just show you that. So you can change the image here just by clicking on the image and change the redirect URL. So let's go out of that. This is the redirect link, so that will go somewhere. You can even put a timer on there if you want to. Again, you've got help here. Just turn that on just so you can see what it looks like. Okay, that's over here now. Let's move the video. Just get out of the way. This is what the product box looks like. And you can have a countdown timer, exit pop-up. I've gone through these before, so there's a ton of stuff they can do. Dead easy to do. Once you've done it, in fact, I'm just going to turn off one or two of these and I'm going to demonstrate this. So that was the 3D notify box. Let's just turn that off. That disappears straight away from the canvas. We'll move this over here and then we'll save it. So you just go down to the bottom to save it. Click save. Remember to publish your change. Okay, so we've created the wiki demo. I'll just show you what that looks like. Okay. Obviously, it's not looking brilliant because we've got so many elements on there. Watch what happens when you click the video. Okay, as you find out more, I didn't have any text there. And there's the video in the background. So that's a really nice effect. So hopefully you get the idea. There's a lot that could be done here, but it's very simple to use. Let me just make sure. Let me just show you a couple of other things as well. From this campaign, you can do a responsive test. So you can have a look what it looks like on various devices. It isn't all mobile optimized. Okay. Looks good. Close that. Now, you can also get this script and copy that onto your website. I'm not saying you'd want to do this, but certainly there's going to be scenarios where someone might want to put an exit pop-up or put an overlay on their own website. So all you do is copy the script and then paste it to your website. The other thing you can do as well is shorten your links. You just integrate them with either Google or Bitly. Again, there's a video showing you how to do that. I think I've covered just about the essentials. I know I've done it fairly quickly, but hopefully you're impressed, Trevor, and you can have a chat about it. All right, thank you.